Here it is. You may have seen it in some of the past videos when we were working on the Maverick, but we have the new to the channel WRX. Good old Project Daily. It's
beat.
It needs some love, but here it is, 2006 Subaru WRX from Utah, so you know it's real rusty.
What you mean?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
What you mean real rusty?
Bumpers in there.
It don't fine.
So let's see the pros. It's cool. Interior is mint. Got the radio. Got the backup camera. A lot of stuff that needs to be done though, because I do have a misfire. My headers are rusted out. My front right wheel bearing is broken, so I can't drive it. The power steering is broken. Leaky. Need to replace a line. Fuel filter needs replaced. Needs washed. Look at this. Can they see that?
I don't know if they can see that.
Y'all see that? It's obviously
It's worse over here. Let me show them over here. Oh yeah, y'all can see that, right? Oh yeah.
Well, right, they get it.
Well maintained, motherfucker.
Obviously, it's got some rust issues.
It does.
But we have big plans for this car.
You exposed me on my truck. I gotta start showing them all this shit with you.
Now you know all the cars. I think it's locked though.
Somebody come steal it.
Yeah, somebody steal it so I can get some money for it.
I'll tell you what, I'll leave the keys in this green jar here.
Here it is. Show you the interior. Pretty mint.
Nobody look at this door, can't even stay open.
Interior is not a problem, right? Oh, I got this. Let me show y'all this.
Whoa, what's going on? They don't care about none of this.
They like that.
They don't care about this.
We be bumping. So.
They don't care about that. How about this?
This?
What are these doors doing, bro? These ones to just move?
They're chilling. Why are you stressing about the doors?
You got a ghost in this, you know.
So it has some misfires that I'm trying to get sorted. Haven't been able to drive in a while. You've probably seen it in the back, like I said, but finally time to get working on this thing. Still have Maverick videos coming, but I need to get this car to where I can drive it. Otherwise, it's just sitting here
looking like that,
getting more beat by the day. So let me know if you're interested to see the WRX videos. I got some big plans for this. I do.
Plus, there's a lot we could do.
I do have.
Whoa, no, I can't see that. What are you doing?
All right, apparently I can't show you that. That's too too early. Just know there's big plans. If there's anything you want to see, let us know in the comments. If you're even interested to see WRX, I mean, I'm going to post it anyways because I want to. If you don't like WRX, let me know that as well. I know there's just a bunch of truck people in the channel because of the Maverick. That's what got us started. We still have a bunch of stuff for that, but it's really time-consuming stuff, so we got to find the time. What about you? What do you think of the WRX?
Some junk. You ain't gotta show me. Give me this jump back. You ain't gotta see me right. You ain't gotta see me. Yeah, check me out. How'd that jump look on cam?
It's got. Let me pop the hood. Let me show them.
It's got 300,000 miles.
No, it doesn't.
Turbo with a bunch of blow-by.
It doesn't have any of that.
Some eBay coilovers. Some wheels we painted like what? Six years ago?
Now they're beat.
They look good when we first did it. See,
Here it is.
This ain't what y'all want to see.
I got a big intercooler, Cobb blow-off valve, intake,
Walmart
battery.
Nothing else of interest.
Got the coilovers.
I can't see them.
I do have I don't know if y'all saw the exhaust under there. It was a Perrin or an NVIDIA exhaust, but we chopped the muffler off, so this bad boy screams. It's straight piped.
Got some plans for that too, though.
It has a resonator actually, but we cut the muffler off. There's no cat, just turbo back, straight pipe with a resonator. Wheels clapped, wheel liners clapped. Let's see, where's the rusty panel? We got some rust issues that we talked about. Don't worry about that. It's tinted. It's running a stage 2 93 octane tune, making I don't remember how many horsepower. But big plans. I don't want to tease too much, but we got some maintenance stuff coming up. We got to fix the wheel bearing, fuel filter, power steering. That's got to be first so that it can drive. Got the headers right here, all rusted out. Holes on everything. Not good. Does have some rust. No major like frame rust though, so at least there's that. The wheels, I guess I can show you how bad they look. First of all, I don't like the design. Second of all, the paint's all coming off. Got some more rust right here. Don't worry about it though. Headlights are beat.
I get it, Jones beat.
It's beat. Big, it's a good starting point. A lot that can be done, a lot that's gonna be done. The bumper, we do have the bumper. I just took it off to assess some stuff. So we do have the fuel filter already have the power steering fixed, have the wheel bearing, brand new headers right here, nothing but the best for the boy. There's the bumper we talked about.
Showing up.
Got the up pipe. Look at these welds. Sneak peek vid coming on that soon. We're gonna try and post one WRX video at least a week, one Maverick video a week. I don't know. I don't know the schedule. If you guys have any input
Or if there's something you want to see.
Let us know. But yeah, 2006 Subaru WRX. Hopefully you guys are excited for it. I'm excited to finally get doing some stuff, some big stuff, some small stuff, any kind of stuff. Let us know what you think in the comments, if you're excited, if you're interested, or if you don't give a fuck. More Maverick videos coming, more Dakota videos coming, more WRX videos coming. So appreciate checking out the video, and we'll see you sometime in the future. Hopefully not as big of a gap as we have just let happen between these videos.